Bring on the competition. Bring it on. Try and compete. Just try. It's going to become the gold standard. The way this whole thing started was on the set of Shark Tank. Michael Rubin came on as a guest shark. So we're hanging around the set on Shark Tank between shoots, and Rubin's telling me about the hobby and how big it's gotten and how it's a multi-billion-dollar business. And I'm saying to him, yeah, you must be kidding. But it really got me thinking. Then I run into this guy named Shyne. I think I met him first in Abu Dhabi when he was coming out of Asia. I really liked him because he kind of reminded me of me as a watch collector, except he was into the hobby. So we kind of hit it off. I was talking about some of the pieces he's looking at and helped him out on a couple of pieces. I was watching the millions per month of trades going on because Rubin got me interested in that. A third business partner, a guy named Paul Warshaw, who I already was in business with, said, listen, I'm getting into this thing with Shyne. I'm going to buy some pieces. He's my advisor. We started talking. I realized if I'm going to get into this space, I'm going to do it the way I got into the watch space. Only the very, very best. And not just one card. I want an index. I want El Supremo, grown men weep when they see them kind of cards. So I said, that's it. I'm getting into this thing. And since that news broke, I didn't realize how big that news was going to be. We've spent $20.9 million. Because I'm so big in the watch space, I know all the auction houses. And so I called up Christie's and I talked to Phillips and Sotheby's. I said, what's going on with this card stuff? They said, this deal is for real. This is an asset class. I said, okay, is it true that if you buy the El Supremos, like those Jordans and those Kobe's, if that's what you're buying, is that where you get the majority of the appreciation? Turns out that's true. And so that's when I said, okay, I'm in. But I told Shyne, I don't want any crap. I want El Supremo. And it turns out that's what he wanted. There's no guy like Shyne. He is the guy. He knows where every piece is. He knows the collectors that have them. He knows the collectors that want them. We're talking about stuff that is really valuable because it's just not made anymore, or that, in the case of Kobe, he's not here anymore. I'm going to release this index pretty soon. Going to make it available for all the hobby to see. I think grown men are going to weep when they see this. When I get into something, I don't go half-ass. I go all the way. And once I'm in, and I'm in the hobby now, and this WonderShyne Index is going to blow you away. Bring on the competition. Bring it on. Try and compete with the WonderShyne. Just try. It's going to become the gold standard. It should be valued daily, just like a portfolio of watches is. No one's going to beat it. Nobody. Everywhere I go, people ask me, my son is so into the hobby, is there any way he could get a chance to see that card? They'd get a day off school to do it. And so I've been talking to some museums in New York and LA about, on Father's Day, take the WonderShyne Index and put it on display in a museum for every father and son to see. We can't take the card out of vault for very long because we can't let the signatures fade from light. But we can for, let's say, 5 days. So make it event, one East Coast 1 year, West Coast the other year, and everybody can see the WonderShyne Index, and every card will be El Supremo. And I think that represents the art, the hobby, the passion for sports, the interest in the father-son relationship, and daughters too. I mean, it's not just for sons. I've met lots of girls that are into this too. And so it's a chance for family to bond around something, and I think it's a way for us to give back. I don't want to be that rich asshole that hoards these things. I want people to be able to see them. And so the WonderShyne Index will go online soon. I want the pieces to be perfect. I'm going to take them on television. I'm going to invite kids to see them on set. All of this stuff is coming, but I want to share it with people because I've seen the passion. Just like I share my watches. I always have 2 watches on. I share them. I want people to see them, and I have stories about them. Same with every card in the WonderShyne Index.